There are a variety of challenges in manufacturing. Once a production line is up and running, people don't want to stop it. There are a lot of organizations that have really old technology running these plant floor operations, and they don't want to take the time to stop production to upgrade the systems, and we can help them make that process easier and more seamless so they're not out of production for as long. One big one that is relatively recent is the desire to get federal spending and budget for projects. And that requires NIST compliance, so we help manufacturing clients get CMMC and NIST compliance so they can get access to that work. The other one is IoT. So a lot of manufacturing are PLC-based machines that are Internet of Things connected. Criminals are exploiting those vulnerabilities. A minute, hour, or day of lost production costs a lot of money, so we're able to help secure those endpoints to ensure the business can maintain their production.